Hey, today I'm going to share something that I have read somewhere and which is very helpful to fight against any problem, small or big, like corona. Fear. If we are afraid of anything or a situation, the best way to get rid of it is to imagine that we have already ventured into that situation. This will help to de escalate the fear. Paradoxical intention. This technique is practiced by the Austrian psychiatrist Viktor Frankl. His patients who complained about insomnia were made to sit right before his very eyes whole night, conveying, no matter what, do not sleep. These sessions always ended on a contradictory note where they had a good night's sleep. Basically, when we force our fears to come true, they go away. Our fear. Amid the current coronavirus pandemic, this paradoxical intention can be of potential use to survive. And this is not merely a theory, it is something which Victor has lived upon. At Nazi concentration camp, where even the basic amenities were denied, he survived, witnessing the daily mayhem, piles of bodies, his own kin getting killed in front of his eyes, where his daily routine comprised of facing atrocities and torture. He survived this captivity for 3 long years, and how? He mentioned it in his book Indifference to Death. A quote from the said book seems to be very effective for the current situation. The only way to survive was to be okay with dying at any moment. If we are ready to accept whatever life throws at us, we can survive in any situation, bad or even worse. Frankel's many survival techniques might just come handy in combating this pandemic state. I will just narrate them in brief for you. Purpose of life. In order to survive, find some meaning to life. A strong purpose needed to be fulfilled at any cost. Getting your offspring married to visiting your favorite hill station, the purpose may vary. But it should ignite a burning flame within you and a complete submission to the same. Instead of getting worrisome about COVID-19 by the daunting news and social media and awaiting to get infected, it's better to hop on something that you would love to accomplish even on your deathbed, making your inner voice scream. You are not done on this planet unless your purpose is done, my friend, come what may. Positivity. Find meaning in your suffering. Try searching for a ray of hope in your current phase of lockdown, isolation, quarantine, flu, or even in your collapsed business. Believe that this suffering has come along with a silver lining. Maybe to set the seal on some unfinished business, or rather say desires. Something which the rat race has kept at the bay for all these years. Use this pause of life to reflect upon whether you are still in pursuit of happiness or you are truly happy. If my soul leaves my body tomorrow, will it be satisfied with the way my life has shaped, or will it feel like some molding is desired? It's a reminder to start living the dream life which we always craved for. Optimism, most essential. Picture yourself on the other side of the road when this pandemic will end. You will finally breathe in fresh air, hug your friends and folks, post selfies with your favorite dishes at your favorite restaurants, enjoy movies at theaters and resuming of schools and colleges. This is not over-optimism. This is endurance technique of the difficult times. Lastly, imagine your worst fear, the worst that can happen to you. In the same way, imagine the most desirable result or a situation. Both of these are extreme and reality lies intermediary to it. Eons back, Gautam Buddha enlightened us with an incredible word: impermanence, temporariness. Nothing is permanent, not even Corona. Change is the only constant. I will sum up this in 3 sentences. Everything can be taken from a man except his attitude in any given set of circumstances. Each life has its own meaning. Go find yours. Last but not the least, this too shall pass. So, this was a small insight on something very essential and very useful which I had gone through recently. I hope you find this video very relatable in today's pandemic state, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please share and subscribe. So, thank you. Have a great day.